Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from automatically opening links on Windows. If you've ever been frustrated with links opening in Edge instead of your preferred browser, this guide will help you regain control. First, press the Windows key and the I key together to open the Windows settings quickly. This shortcut saves time compared to navigating through menus. Next, click on the Apps section, then select Default Apps. This area lets you manage which applications Windows uses by default. Scroll down and click on Choose Default Apps by Protocol. Here, you'll see a list of protocols including HTTP and HTTPS, which control how web links open. Now, find the HTTP protocol and change the default app from Microsoft Edge to your preferred browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Do the same for the HTTPS protocol. This ensures all web links open in the browser you choose. Finally, double-check your selections to make sure both protocols are updated correctly before closing the settings window. This step ensures your changes are applied and Edge will no longer hijack your links. And that's it. By updating these default settings, you can make sure every link opens in the browser you want, giving you full control over your browsing experience.